And as usually happens, some people can make it, some people can't. They have family things to do. And we are going to have a great day, I hope, up by Guys. I'm really looking forward to getting a test ride on that FZR. See how that all played out with the new carbs and new exhaust. Keith is here. Hey! Look at how Forsythia's across the street. Wow. Oh, he's coming. The beautiful mellow sound of the triple. Oh, the beautiful sound. Don't get your Ducati and wake up the neighbors.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that sound of the triple. Listen to those birds. Holy mackerel. The things even sound good when they're idling. So the plan is, hey, we got 3 guys showed up today. Vlad from Brooklyn couldn't make it. He's busy printing money or whatever he does on the side. And, well, we got 3 bikes. Keith has a Ducati that's ready for a shakedown ride, but this is not going to be today. It'll probably be next week.
The top of the tree.
And he's got his MT-09 ready.
Oh my God.
And my favorite. Oh, don't put too many miles on this.
Why, do you want it when I'm dead?
Guy got the tire changer.
Oh, great.
We're going to do an unboxing today.
Yep.
Free scooter. Wow. Free scooter. How can you go wrong with that? The new walls. Wow. From his bike on there. We haven't ridden it yet.
So what are you doing to this?
Gentlemen, you're going to witness motorcycling history. He's going to open up. This is an official unboxing. We are sponsored by are we sponsored? Nobody. The bagel place.
We're not even sponsored by Rockaway.
Henry Hawk is going to sponsor us.
We don't
Oh my God. Look at the boxing. This is a tire changer. Oh my God.
How to use.
And you guys know how to change a tire?
Hey, comes in a bag.
Oh.
Go down to the local mechanic.
Do you know how to change tires?
Yeah, go down to the local mechanic.
I know it. Joe, I don't have to ask you.
Gear and
Do you ever change your own tires? No.
this was,
I'm the only guy here that ever changes it. Wait a minute, maybe I should leave before they put me out of
The
business.
other little box comes.
Now, once we get this set up, you see how he did his garage. Those are, he's got to explain, they're freezer wheels for making a freeze. This is going to be our clubhouse next winter.
You just can't do it the other way around.
He just spent, those walls are 4 inches of foam thick, Joe.
I heard.
He's got, well, I don't know if he's going to do this one or not. Hey, Guy, you going to do this wall or not?
Eventually, when we do another box.
When you do another job, get him to get some freebies. Okay, good. I like
the whole box
freebies.
together on purpose.
Look at this. It's all chrome like a Harley swing arm. Holy mackerel. Wow, that's nice. How do you say that word? ROBACONda?
ROBACONda?
You're Mr. Rob. Did he send you a T-shirt with this?
I got nothing. I got a
hat?
I use it, yeah.
A handkerchief?
A brooch.
A brooch. This looks nicely made. Yeah, I'm sick of changing tires by hand. I'm
So those
done.
are all the parts to change a tire.
You're my new go-to guy, Mr. ROBACONda.
Alright, so that's all that crap. Let's see what's in this box here.
This is a baby tire changer for scooters. I like that scooter you got over there. Wow.
Hey, Goofy Lube.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Can you put that in coffee?
Sure. Might be a little sweet. There's all this
Well,
stuff.
we're going to make a separate video of Guy once he figures out how to put this
Put
together.
my glasses on.
That looks pretty cool.
BMW adapter.
Anybody got a BMW? You don't have a BMW.
MV Agusta adapter.
Oh, no. Whoa, Joe.
Yeah, well, these are all different
A
adapters.
Luciano adapter.
Yeah.
I'll bring the wheel balancer up here too,
And a
so we can
paintbrush,
balance.
so you could do a little. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah, you can't. Can you balance tires on this or not? Does it say you can?
No, I didn't order the balance.
I got the balancer. Don't worry
That's
about
why I
it.
didn't order.
Yeah, don't balance. I'll leave it up here so we can do them together. A future video, the ROBACONDA assembly video.
Yeah, that's more stuff to put it together.
I'm surprised they don't come all put together with a girl with the t-shirt, you know, with the ROBACONDA t-shirt. We're not going to be sponsored, so you may get that out of your head.
And this is the ratcheting mechanism, I guess.
Yeah, and you can use that if your Jeep gets stuck on a mountaintop too.
You wrecked yourself out of a hole.
The man has a Jeep too.
Manual.
Wow.
No offense to the Jeep owners here.
Oh, yeah, that looks nicely made, I have to admit. It's all plated. So the next time we see you, you're gonna have fresh tires on every bike in the garage.
And be broke.
And have no money. So Guy got the test ride we were looking for in, and came back with all the feedback we needed. The real big problem we were looking to solve has been solved at last. Now, if you're new to our channel, we have a very, very eclectic channel. One of the new features we have now is some of the videos are grouped into groups that you can access all the videos for one category in one mouse click. And it should be very convenient and very handy. Just check out the feature on the main screen playlist. And thanks to everybody for supporting the channel. We appreciate your support, and it makes this channel possible with all the things we do, the painting, the wheels, the polishing. And please take a second or two and hit the like button. And thanks everyone for watching.